Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Achievers Adda. So guys, those who are preparing for UGC NET or various state set examination of the paper 1 and paper 2 commerce, you can just subscribe to this channel Achievers Adda and do join in our telegram group and various social media platforms. All the links are available in the description. And do follow me in the Academy Learning app also, where you will be getting free live session on daily basis. So daily at 5 p.m. we are having the free live session at an Academy platform, guys, where I'll be discussing the previous year questions of a paper 1 with a proper explanation I'll be discussing. So you can get a benefit out of it by attending the live sessions daily at 5 p.m. in an Academy platform. All the updates will be given in the Telegram group. And presently the communication previous year questions are being discussed daily at 5 p.m. So you can join into the live at 5 p.m. Every day. And if you are aiming to crack the UGC NET JRF for the December 2023 examination, complete courses for the paper 1 and paper 2 commerce, all the 10 units with a proper chart wise presentation will be available at Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription plans. So here daily at 7 p.m. my plus course is going on for the paper 1. Complete total 10 units you can see over here. So all will be available and all the PDFs also will be there. And one subscription will give you the paper 1 and paper 2, not only commerce, paper 2, other subjects, other educator will be available to access. So you can just take the single subscription and you can watch all the educator classes and their PDF material and mock test series. Everything will be under one roof. So use the invite code. These are the total 10 units of the commerce where I have covered all the 10 units and I'll be covering in the live sessions also, and notes in a chart wise presentation also available. So you can just use my invite code Shiva Live to unlock the maximum percentage of discount in Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription as per the Unacademy offering. Shiva Live is an invite code. You need to enter as a discount coupon code to unlock the free live session and to unlock the maximum discount. And this is the plus subscription total schedule, detailed schedule of the entire batch course, presently ongoing batch course. And you can watch my recorded class also, live also. Everything is accessible to all. Right? Now let's get into the today's session without late. So answer for this question is C, that is niche marketing, because marketing is very narrowly defined customer group. Desiring a distinctive mix of benefits is known as niche marketing. Niche marketing is channelizing all marketing efforts towards the one well-defined segment. Well-defined segment are specific target audience only. Specific target audience only. Micro marketing is an individual based. But they are asking about a customer group, which is narrow customer group, is that niche marketing out of the available niche marketing. If the individual they stated now, that might have went for the micro marketing at an individual level marketing. Micro, nano, niche, target, correct. Remember micro as an individual, Rahul. Niche cannot be a different products. It could be a single product, single marketing group. Mega marketing, penetration, pricing, promotion mix, post-purchase customer satisfaction. Option B is the given answer, which is mega marketing is the fourth one, which is public relations. And penetration pricing is the third one, low price initially. Promotion mix is one which is advertising. This total 5 M's are there. In the advertising, 5 M's will be there in advertising. And post-purchase consumerism, cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance is indicating where the consumer is conflicting with own belief is called as an cognitive dissonance. He might feel before the purchase, he might feel one thing. After the use of that product, then his belief or else his satisfaction may get changed also. It could be anything. What is mega marketing? It is to satisfy the customer or consumer demand. In mega marketing, you should be focused on meeting the consumer needs through third parties. Through third parties, we have to meet the consumer needs and requirement through third parties. So option D is the given answer. They are asking following concepts in the order of which they evolved. First one is that E, production concept is initially established. After that, selling concept. After that, marketing concept. After that, C, customer concept. Later, social marketing is a recent and latest one. You can just see production concept is concentrating on quantity of a production. The more the quantity, irrespective of the quality. Product concept is concentrating on quality. Selling concept is on promotion only, where we have to do the creation or awareness about the product. Marketing concept is about promotion as per the requirement and wants and needs of the customer. And holistic marketing is an societal marketing, where the societal marketing or relationship marketing. Societal relationship, Siri will be getting operated. Societal marketing, integrated marketing, relationship marketing, internal marketing will be part of holistic. So initially production, later selling concept, later holistic or relationship marketing is given. But you can take production, product, selling, marketing, holistic. In the holistic, these four will come. Sales promotion has a strong impact on consumer behavior in rural India. Rural people in India give utmost significance to sales promotion scheme. So option A, statement 1 is correct and statement R is wrong. So sales promotion has a strong impact on consumer behavior, because if you do the promotion, the awareness will get created, right? If you do the promotion, awareness will get created. That will automatically bring an impact on consumer behavior to think about product, how to think about the product, and in what way we can take the product. That is in rural India. Rural people in India gives utmost significance to sales promotion scheme. They are saying utmost significance, but they are never ever consider the sales promotion, because they are majorly concentrating on needs and wants. Which product can fulfill our needs and wants will be the major thing for them, rather than sales promotion. Yes, they don't focus on branding or yes, product quality, or else need and want is more important. Hello Manu. Do hit a like button, guys. Fast. Make it equal. Option C is a correct answer. C is a correct answer given. Official answer key given A, which is wrong conceptually, but answer is C as per the concept. But official key saying A is the correct answer. Let's see. AIDA model is an marketing communication. Hierarchy effects model is an advertising effectiveness. And after that, Howard Sheth model is related to consumer behavior. Information search is an consumer buying decision process. Now what actually the answer given by the KSET is that this information search is given as an B, marketing communication. By information search is a step number 1 of the consumer buying decision process. If they don't focus on branding and focus only on needs and want, then assertion also not follows. Let us look at which question you are saying. Promotion has a strong impact on consumer behavior in rural India. By here, for creating awareness, if you do the awareness, that will be impacting on the consumer behavior. But here they are saying utmost significant. That is the most important one. But this is not the primary one. Promotion can impact on the consumer. But that is not only the one which can impact. That is what indicating the statement number 2. Here utmost significance means we are giving more importance only to the promotion, not as per the quality, not as per the requirement and needs of the customer. That is making the statement is wrong. Option B is the correct answer. Brand content is the given answer. Every dash delivers an impression that it can strengthen or weaken the customer view of the company. So brand content is given as a correct answer. What it actually? Content means what we are actually delivering it to the customers. So brand content is a marketing technique which involves creating the content that is directly linked to a brand, allowing the consumer to make connection with it. Directly linked to a brand, which is branded content. The content what actually you are delivering to the customers that is part of over here. Whereas brand equity is a set of assets and liabilities in the form of a brand visibility. So brand association, customer loyalty that add or subtract the value of the current or potential product or a service driven by the brand. It is a key construct in the management, not only in marketing but also in business strategy, because brand equity you must consider many things: customer loyalty, your assets, your liabilities, and which the service that you are providing, the new product that you are going to add it, everything. It is not just about the marketing, it is something about the business strategy. It comes under the brand equity. Whereas brand content is about the delivery, value delivery that you are doing, VD. Yes, equity talks about the asset and liability in terms of the return, correct. Hello Bhatti. So your option, none of the above, none is correct. None is correct. So majority people answered either B or D. So newspaper is an relatively low cost. Personalization, C can be 4. Yes, relatively low cost. Flexibility, interest is a media type. Consumer interest can be a 3. Flexibility. Television can be low cost and newspaper can be high reach. So 1, 2, 4, 3 is there. 1, 2, 4, 3 not available. Television high reach. Newspaper cannot be. Even newspaper also high reach will be. But relatively low cost it could be. Yes. Relatively low cost newspaper, television will be high reach. It can be correct. So 2143 not available. Yes, 2143 not available by 2143 not available, which is a correct answer. 2143. This question got removed. Newspaper low cost. Option C is the given answer. Both are true. So selling concept converts the existing product into money, because the more here selling concentrates on short term increasing quantity of sales only. Marketing concept converts the customer need, because marketing is always a broader term. Marketing is a broader one, in that selling will be one part. Marketing is according to the needs and requirement and wants of the customer, whereas selling is only to sell and get the money. Fatafat, do hit a like button guys. Match it. Who among the following optimize the mass marketing strategy? Henry Ford, Bill Gates, F.W. Woolworth and Thomas A. Edison. Customer needs can't be product needs. Actually, there is nothing called as a product need. What you require will be based on that only. The customer need only, product will be made. So my requirement is this smart board in this way, and this is this light I want. This is a total setup I want. So as per my requirement, if any marketer is making the product, I will ready to buy. Otherwise, I will not buy. But based on the product how the customer can fit into his need, that is not possible. So option A is the correct answer. Henry Ford is the correct answer. So automaker, which is Henry Ford, was very successful at both mass production and mass marketing, and he pioneered the modern day assembly line early in the 20th century, which helped him to cost effectively pump out the huge numbers of identical models, the automobiles. So he was an American industrialist. Business magnate. Which of the following are responsible for strategic planning gap? Intensive growth, integrative growth, diversification growth. Only coffee. Why? Your wife is not giving a. Option D. 1, 2, 3. Which of the following are responsible for strategic planning gap? Intensive, integrative and diversification. 3 growth are important. You can just look at this map. Here strategic planning gap, desired sales that we wanted to achieve or attain, the targeted sales. Here sales are there. The current is that intensive growth, current portfolio, and integrative, connecting many things. Diversification means new line of sales or new line of products that we wanted to enter, integrating many things so that it will be leading into a growth. Intensive growth, integrative growth and diversification. 3 growths will be there as part of this one. Intensive growth opportunities are identifying the opportunities to achieve further growth within the company's current business. Achieve further growth within the company's further. So on the existing business itself, we are trying to achieve the bigger growth. Next, integrative is an identifying opportunities to build or acquire the business that are related to. Integrative is which are related to your company, you are trying to acquire them. And diversification is that jumping into another new product. Jumping into another new product comes under here. Next, these are previous year questions. Acha Rahul, that means you agreed that you are married, na? Having children also. Wow. Belated congratulations, my dear Rahul Rajput. I think that is why you are not getting qualified for JRF. Huh? So option A is a given answer. Is it possible to revoke proposal made? Proposal can be revoked before the communication of acceptance reaches to a proposer. You propose to someone, I love you. That before it reaching to that particular boy or a girl, you can cancel. No, my love got cancelled without even communicating. Means your communication should not reach. The acceptance or the communication should not reach to other person. In such case, you can revoke. Means a cancel can be done. You can cancel it before it is getting communicated. Substituting an old contract with a new one is called. Substituting an old contract with a new one is called. Please do hit a like button, those who are watching this session. So option D is a correct answer. Novation of a contract, it is substituting an old agreement with a new one. So it's act of replacing and legitimate existing contract with a new contract where the transfer is mutually agreed by both parties concerned. Where the transfer is mutually agreed by both parties concerned is called as an novation of the contract. The contract of insurance is a contract of surety, indemnity, guarantee, security. So your answer will be B, indemnity. Contract of insurance is a contract of indemnity. But there is an exception to this. As per the Bombay High Court decision, there is an exception. Usually, all contracts of insurance can be a contract of indemnity because indemnity contract definition itself making the loss good of others which is caused by the third party. That is what the definition of indemnity. If you incurred any loss, I will compensate and make that loss good, financial loss only. But something life insurance which is a life loss, life insurance cannot be a contract of indemnity. Life insurance, because you cannot bring back the life of a person, so that cannot be a contract of indemnity. Yes, life insurance is an assurance, not an insurance. Exactly, superb. It's an assurance. Life insurance is treated as an assurance. So in the transaction of sale of goods, along with the goods, what else get transferred? Option C, property in goods. In the transaction of sale of goods, along with the goods, what else gets transferred? Property in goods will get transferred. Property in goods will get transferred. In the transaction of sale of goods, along with the goods, what else? Property in goods, ownership in goods, possession in goods will get transferred. Section 17, 10, 18, 31 of the Contract Act. I think 18 and 17 will give you the answer. Even section 10 also will give you the answer. Straight answer. Straight answer. Correct. Fraud will come first. I was thinking. 17 fraud, 18 misrepresentation, 10 will be essential, and this will be this. So 2 4 2 4 3 1. Correct. Asked by a student, sir. Okay, sir. You are explaining to that student, huh? Which of the following is not a negotiable? Hey, इज्जत का सवाल भाई. This is, which is not a negotiable instrument. Not a negotiable instrument. Those who are there in the class but not typing the answer, now you will not get NET, you will not get JRF, you will not get the hall ticket also. Answer it. Answer it. So here, section 4, 5, 6 will be there, which are section number 13 is indirectly defining the negotiable instrument as per the Negotiable Instrument Act. Currency note are excluded. They are by the definition itself, they are got excluded. Currency note and bank notes got excluded from here. So promissory note, bill of exchange, check. 3R comes under the negotiable instrument meaning. Next. Right to lien, right of resale, right against the buyer, right of a stoppage in transit. Not to you, I am saying to Titiksha, I am saying to those people who are there in the class since a long time but they are not even responding to the questions as an answer. For them it will apply, not to you. Right of lien, right of resale, right of against the buyer. Option D. Right of lien is given as an right to retain the possession. Right of resale is an third one. Right to sell the goods of perishable nature, sell the goods of perishable in nature. And right against the buyer is an fourth one, which is suit for the price. Right against the buyer. So on the buyer you can ask for the price. You can make a case against the buyer for the price that to be paid. Right of stoppage in transit is right to regain the possession. Stoppage in transit means if it didn't reach to your final customer, then obviously you can take back your goods as you didn't got the payment for the goods that you are sending. Next. Company can become a partner in a partnership like any other partner. Company can become a partner in partnership business like any other partners. Company is regarded as a person in the eyes of the law. Hence, it can become a partner in partnership firm. Option A is a correct answer. Both assertion and reason are correct. A company can become a partner because company is a separate legal entity which can enter into a contract on its own in the eyes of the law because it is created by the law and it will die by the law only. So both are correct only. Company can enter and it can take part in the partnership. Artificial person, correct. Legal artificial person. Chief Information Commissioner under the RTI is under the direct control of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of India, President of India, CGI Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister of India. So answer will be option B. President of India will be the CIC, Chief Information Commission is under the RTI, direct control of the President of India. Appointed by the President. Chief Information Commissioners will be appointed by the President. GST collections in India during the recent December 2020 and February 2021. This is the outdated question by. because it will change time to time. Answer is given as an option B, between 1 lakh crores to 125 crores. 1 lakh crores to 1 lakh 25 crores. Only in 2 months, 3 months. Interest credited on investment in PPF scheme is option C, exempted from the income tax, because public provident fund interest is exempted. Public provident fund interest is exempted because that is public provident fund scheme which is exempted from the tax fully. If it is RPF, that might get taxable, and up to certain certain limit only it will be exempted. Up to 9% only it will be exempted. So up to 12% only it will be exempted. Over and above that it will be taxable if it is recognized provident fund. So here option B, which is fully taxable in the hands of the unit holder, and in the hands of the company it will be exempted. Now dividends are no longer exempt in the hands of the shareholder. Next, the minimum alternative tax applicable 115 JB. Rahul, no one will tell Rahul as per the, see, if the assessment here is the one which you need to take into consideration, how can you go out of it? Every time, suppose if the some assessee is coming, you will calculate the, in practical also you will calculate the total income as per both, and if it is falling under the new tax regime, you need to go for that only. In small question they will not give the conditions, na? Every condition they will not give. Option A is a given answer. So corporate assessee being IFSC limits only, because they are saying International Financial Services Center limits, that is 9%. Otherwise it will be 15%. A normal case it will be 15%. In IFSC, which is a special case, which is 9% only. AMT is 18%. Section 139(3)(9), 140A, 144. (140A) will give you the answer. So here D should be the correct answer. 140A self-assessment, 139(3) loss, and defective return is a 9, 144 best judgment assessment. Direct सीधा question. The rate of surcharge as a percentage of income tax payable by a foreign company that has net income above the 10 crores for the assessment year 2020-21. So tax payable by a foreign company, surcharge, foreign company, the rate of surcharge where the net income is above 10 crore. So answer will be 5%, because below 10 crore 2%, above 10 crore 5%. Foreign company. MAT, tax credit for MAT. DDT, tax on buyback of shares. Option none of the above, because it's not matching. MAT, minimum alternative tax is an 115 JB, just now we solved. And dividend distribution tax can be 115 D, DDT. MAT is 115 JB, correct. A3. Dividend distribution tax 115 O, but not given. 115 O is not given, DDT. So MAT is 115 JAA, MAT credit. This is one, but for this it is not given. Buyback can be 115 QA, but this is not given. I think they must have mentioned this as an O so that it would have went correct. Next, answer got removed. Expected rent of a house property which is not controlled by the Rent Control Act is either a municipal value or a fair rent, whichever is more. And gross annual value of house property is not controlled by the Rent Control Act is highest of municipal value, fair rent and actual rent. 115 O Ganesh, correct. So your option C is the correct answer. Both A and R are correct. So expected rent of house property which is not controlled by the Rent Control Act. So here first one we do is municipal value, fair rental value, whichever is higher. This is an expected rent, and this expected rent as well as we will be comparing with this standard rent, whichever is lower. Then this whichever is lower, this amount will be compared with the actual rent. Then whichever is higher. Here gross annual value of the property is not controlled by the Rent Control Act. Highest of municipal value, fair rent and actual rent. Yes, it is obviously highest of municipal value, fair rent and actual rent. Whichever is higher only it is obviously coming, because both of the higher is taken over here and this and this higher taken over here. Finally this and this higher only we are taking over here. So this will be gross annual value only. Both are correct. Next, maximum deductible amount in respect of assessee who is a senior citizen under section 80D. 80D maximum is that 50,000 for the senior citizen. For the normal citizen it is 25,000. Senior citizen 50,000, for the normal citizen it is 25,000. International tax laws are governed by Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development and International Monetary Fund, Central Board of DT as well as Ministry of Finance. I clearly explained this one. Yes, standard rent is set by the Rent Control Act. But they are saying standard rent is not there in both the statement, na clearly. Absolutely, everybody made blunder. They are asking about international taxation. By international taxation, how Central Board of Direct Tax will come over here? This is already discussed in the class very clearly while explaining about international taxation. First line, first paragraph, yellow color. Look it in my PDF. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. OECD will be the body who will be governing the international tax laws.